Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. My goal in life is to pretty much wear athletic clothes at all times, but that is not possible. So the next best thing is these incredible yoga dress pants. These are from AFITNE, and let me tell you, they are amazing. So if you love to wear comfortable, elastic, stretchy pants all the time, but you want to have a professional look, these pants will definitely do the trick. So I absolutely love the fit on these pants. I got these in a size medium in the 29-inch inseam. I am 5'2" and I weigh about 140 pounds. And these fit perfect. They have enough room, enough stretch to be really comfortable, but they still have that nice fitted slim look. So they are great for wearing to the office or wearing out to dinner or to another more dressy occasion. I really love that they have functional belt loops and functional front and back pockets. Although the button and the fly are just decorative, but it really does make them look like you're wearing professional business pants, and you still have that awesome comfort of the yoga pants. The fabric is so smooth, super soft like butter, and the stretch is amazing. They really have an incredible four-way stretch, so no matter what you are doing, you are going to be super comfortable. This is the straight leg design, and they look great with heels. You can wear these with flats, sandals, boots, so many options, and they are going to look super cute and make you look really put together, but still secretly really comfortable. So if you are looking for the perfect comfortable dress pants that look great but also feel incredible, then I would definitely check out these from AFITNE. Super happy with them. That's my point of view.